Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 3.3 Understanding Quadrilaterals, problem number 7. So the problem is explain how this figure is a trapezium, which of its two sides are parallel. Okay, so we need to check whether this is a trapezium. Okay, and then we have to summarize that two sides are parallel and which two sides are parallel. Okay, so anyway, by seeing the figure itself, right, we can assume that KL and NM are parallel actually. Okay, but we have to prove that these two sides are parallel. First of all, what is a trapezium? So trapezium is one with exactly two parallel sides. With exactly two parallel sides. Okay, so parallelogram, what we have? So in parallelogram we have these two sides as well as these two sides are parallel. Okay, in parallelogram, but here exactly two sides are parallel. Okay, but other two sides will not be a parallel one. Okay, that is the difference between the trapezium and parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram we have four sides, so each pair will be of parallel, but here only one pair only will be a parallel in trapezium, that is a trapezium. Okay, and we have to prove that exactly one parallel side, one pair of side is parallel here. Okay, so when we can say that two lines are parallel. Okay, so we have to prove that these two lines are parallel, and what is going along these two lines? A transversal is going across these two parallel lines, right? So these two are parallel lines that we have to prove, and across the two lines NM and KL a transversal is intersecting. Okay, and again it is forming a angle 100 degree at M and 180 degree at 80 degree at L. Okay, so when we can say these two lines are parallel? Okay, so when two lines are there and a transversal is passing over there, okay, the interior angles on the same side of transversal, if it is 180, okay, then I can say that the two lines are parallel. Okay, so what I am saying, when two lines NM and KL is there and transversal is passing across two lines, okay, so two parallel lines are there and a transversal is passing across two lines. Okay, then if sum of interior angles on same side of transversal is 180 degree, then okay, I can say that these two lines are parallel. Okay, so that is what I am having, angle M plus angle L. Okay, so these two angles are interior angles on the same side of transversal. What it is? It is 100 plus 80, okay, which is nothing but 180 degree. Okay, so angle M plus angle L is equal to 180 degree, it is proved. Okay, then these two lines I can say that parallel, NM parallel to KL. So when two lines are parallel, then I can say that KLMN is trapezium. Okay. So just we have to prove that whenever we have a two parallel lines and we have a transversal across it, and this transversal forms two interior angles here. The sum of two interior angles, if it is 180 degree, okay, the sum of two interior angles, that is angle M plus angle L, is 180 degree, then I can say that NM is parallel to KL. Okay, if NM is parallel to KL, then definitely KLMN is a trapezium. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.